By selling an item for rupees 2000, you incur a loss of 8%. What is the cost price of that item? So here we have been given the selling price, which is rupees 2000, and we have been given that we have made a loss of 8%, which, as we know, should be expressed in terms of the cost price. And now we need to determine the cost price of that particular item. Now here, since we have been given that we have made a loss, we can infer that the cost price is this size and the selling price is this size. Or in other terms, the cost price is bigger than the selling price. So if we put down the formula for finding out the loss, we know that loss is equal to the bigger term, which is the cost price, minus the smaller term, which is the selling price. So here loss is expressed in terms of the absolute amount or the rupees. So loss in terms of rupees is equal to the cost price in terms of rupees minus the selling price in terms of rupees. But we have been given loss in terms of percentage. So we'll have to express this percentage in terms of absolute rupees. So loss is 8% of the cost price, because loss percent or profit percent is always expressed in terms of the cost price. And this is equal to the cost price minus the selling price, which we have been given as rupees 2000. So minus 2000. Now 8% of CP is 8 divided by 100. So this is the expression of 8% multiplied by the cost price, which is equal to the cost price minus 2000. So 8 divided by 100 is 0.08. CP is equal to CP minus 2000. So let's bring this 2000 here on the other side and this expression on the other side of the equal to. So when we bring any of the terms on the other side, we have to change the sign. So if negative sign, then it becomes positive. If it is positive, it becomes negative. So our new expression will look like 2000 is equal to CP, which remains as is, and 0.08 CP, because we are bringing from left side to the right side, it becomes minus 0.08 CP. So 2000 is equal to, so 1 minus 0.08 is 0.92 CP, or CP is equal to 2000 divided by 0.92. So let me pull my calculator. So 2000 divided by 0.92, which is equal to 2173.91. So the cost price is equal to 2173.91. So this is our cost price. Now quick validation, since we are making a loss, our cost price should be bigger than our selling price. So our cost price is 2173.91 rupees and our selling price is rupees 2000. So sounds right. If you want to do further validation, what we can do is cost price, which is 2173, minus the selling price, which is 2000, so which comes to 173.91, and divide this by the cost price, so 2173.91, so 2173.91, and this should be equal to 8%. So let's quickly calculate it. 173.91 divided by 2173.91. So this is 0.079. So of course you multiply it by 100 to express in terms of percentage, and this comes to 7.999, which is very close to 8%. So this comes to around 0.079, and in terms of percentage it will be around 8%. So this is a quick validation that you can perform on your calculations.